हेलो एवरीवन, क्या हाल चाल है। लव द आरसीज का एक और एपिसोड फॉर यू। सो आज क्या है मेरे पास पैसेज, जरा देखते हैं। ये रूल्स तो आप फेमिलियर। ओके, सो टुडे आई हैव गॉट अ जीमैट पैसेज। नाउ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग, why do I need to bring a GMAT passage? GMAT passages are very helpful for CAT. So even earlier in this series, I think I have given 2 or 3 GMAT passages. So GMAT passages का main फायदा क्या होता है? They have got nice questions. Like जो diverse questions होते हैं ना, those give you like a little flexibility when it comes to identifying different types of questions. और ये passage मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. So I picked it. चलिए देखते हैं क्या है ये. The earliest controversies about the relationship between photography and art. Photography's fidelity to appearances and dependence. Okay, so something about photography and art, the controversy between, about the relationship. Okay, now ये अभी पढ़ना नहीं है, ये हम देख रहे हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है किस बारे में है. Now that photography, all right, photographers, something, ठीक है. Photography, however, I think this should be the last para. Yes. So, yeah. Now, just by checking like this, we understand that the passage is on photography. Something to do with photography. What? We don't know yet. Main idea क्या है? अभी देखेंगे. Let's check the questions. The author introduces this in order to. CAT में 1000 बार इस तरह का question आता है. The author gives the example of this in order to. The author introduces this in order to. The author brings in this in order to. This is called theory example question. Called बोले तो मैं बोलती हूँ इसको theory example question. Why? Because he gives this example for what? To prove what point? So in the preceding lines you're going to look for the theory. Okay? Then, according to the author, the 19th century defenders of photography mentioned in the passage stressed that photography was 19th century defenders. Right? We need to go to that. So again, this is specific inference. According to the passage, which of the following explains the reaction of serious contemporary photographers to the question of this? Reaction. Again, specific inference. Right? Then, according to the passage, certain serious contemporary photographers expressly make which of the following claims about their photographs? Claims. We know पूरे में photographers का ही है. So what is the claim? So we can see that the questions are a little specific. It can be inferred from the passage that the author probably considers serious contemporary photography to be what? We need the author's view. So kind of conclusion. Let's roll back to the passage and see what he says there. Chaliye. This is the first para. We need to read it definitely, properly, carefully in order to understand the main idea. The earliest controversies about the relationship between photography and art centered on whether क्या था, debate क्या था. The photography is what? Probably, photography focuses on the aesthetics of a particular thing. Art जो है वो आपका feelings, emotions निचोड़ के निकालता है, ऐसा types. Photography's fidelity, loyalty to appearances and dependence on a machine camera allowed it to be a fine art as distinct from merely a practical art. So, photography focused more on, ये बोल रहा है, photography's loyalty to this and this. Okay? Throughout the 19th century, the defense of photography was identical with the struggle to establish itself as a fine art. Oh, it wanted to prove that I am a fine art, but people used to refute and say, चल, तू ना appearances पे focus करता है, dependence on machine है तेरा तो. हमारी तरफ fine arts की तरह, like, you don't have a muse, you don't have your brushed strokes, you don't have that chiaroscuro वाला thing, you don't have all those other techniques of painting, emotions नहीं है उसमें, ऐसा type. People, maybe artists used to say this. ठीक है? So struggle to establish itself as a fine art. So it was identical with the struggle to establish it. Against the charge that photography was a soulless, I just explained it, mechanical camera से copying of reality, just copy. Photographers assert ये करते थे. I remember there's a question. Moreover, these two lines, the last two lines of the first para are always important. More often than not important. Photographers asserted what? That it was instead, ये word दिखा, this portion is very, very important. A privileged way of seeing, a revolt against commonplace vision, and no less worthy an art than painting. हम उनके बराबर हैं. Okay, so we know that this is here. Ironically, now that photography is securely established as a fine art, now, and there is ironically, question pocket तो रहेगा ही है. Ironically, paradoxically, ये सब चीजें ना रहती हैं questions में. Many photographers find it pretentious or irrelevant to label it as such. Okay, serious photographers variously claim to be finding, recording. So this para talks about modern photographers, contemporary photographers. नहीं जा रही अभी मैं इसमें details में. 19th century दिख गया मुझे association with this. Okay, important photographers no longer. I know that there are questions connected with this para. आएंगे अभी वापस पढ़ने के लिए. Then, photographers' disclaimers of any interest in making art tell us more about the harried status than about whether photography is or not an art. Yeah, again, photographers ka like, he brings in abstract expressionist, modernist, and then 1960s something, pop painting, classical modernist painting, Picasso, Kandinsky, ये सब देख लिया मैंने. पूरा पढ़ूंगी अभी, फिर अगर question नहीं है उससे related, it's going to be a waste of time. Main idea तो I have understood. That it was a debate, they were trying to establish themselves, photographers were trying to establish themselves as people connected to fine arts. Okay, appreciating photographs is a relief. ये सब उनका ही है, ठीक है. Photography, however, now this is the author's view, has developed all the anxieties and self-consciousness of a classic modernist art. Done. Energy और ज़्यादा आएगी अब. So, many professionals privately have begun to worry that the promotion of photography as an activity subversive of the traditional pretensions of art has gone so far that public will forget that photography is this. I'll tell you a situation here. मेरा काम यही है ना, आपको गाइड करना कहाँ पे फंसोगे कहाँ पे नहीं. You will get stuck in this last para. Why? Because there are difficult words. समझ में जल्दी नहीं आएगा. Do not waste too much time. Main idea is clear, debate है. This is giving you the author's viewpoint and there is a question connected with it. At least उस time में हम आएंगे और keywords लेके हम solve कर सकते हैं. Developed all the anxieties, self-consciousness, many professionals privately begun to worry promotion of photography as an activity subversive तो definitely आपको नहीं पता होगा. Subversive of the traditional pretensions, gone so far, क्या बोल रहा है ये exalted activity. चलिए अभी मैं आपको ये explain नहीं करूंगी. I'll first show you that we can still manage our way around these 5 questions without diving deep into this passage. Clear है what is where सब दिख रहा है मुझे. Alright, now questions. The author introduces abstract expressionist painters in order to. भाई बहुत clearly ये तो मालूम है abstract expressionist कहाँ है, यहाँ है. Right? For this what do I need to read? I need to read this portion, the preceding lines and the introduction of the para. उसके बाद भी अगर फंसी तो I'll go down and check the concluding line. As of now, this much reading is going to be enough. Okay, so I'm going to read from here. Photographers' disclaimers of any interest in making art tell us more about the harried status, parishan status of the contemporary notion of art than about whether photography is something. For example, those photographers who suppose that what by taking pictures they are getting away from the pretensions of art as exemplified by painting remind us of those abstractionist painters, abstract expressionist painters क्या करते थे, who imagined they were getting away from the intellectual strictness of classical modernist painting by concentrating on the physical act. This much is enough as the first round of reading. So he brings in abstract expressionist painters to draw parallels with these photographers who think that they are getting away from the pretensions of art something. Correct? Itna kafi hai? Quickly go back to the options and start eliminating. Provide an example of artists who, like serious contemporary photographers, देखो, compare किया, draw parallels बोला मैंने, disavowed traditionally accepted aims of modern art. Disavowed means rejected. Okay, traditionally accepted aims of modern art. We'll go back and check this part. Okay, बाकी देख लेते हैं पहले. Call attention to artists whose works often bear a physical resemblance to the works of serious contemporary photographers. Call attention to artists. चलो ये भी रख लेते हैं. Set forth an analogy comparison between the abstract expressionist painters and classical modernist painters. Classical modernist painters का नहीं है, right? He says clearly photographers today, they are those photographers, okay? Classical modernist is here, and that is classical modernist painting. So this is attractive word trap. Okay, you get my point? जबरदस्ती उठा के यहाँ पे चिपका दिया है. Eliminated. Provide a contrast to pop artists and others who created works that exemplify bakwas. Wrong comparison. Contrast to pop artists. Pop artists वहां पे चुन्नू सा इतना सा है, work created exemplify modernist heritage नहीं. वहां पे he is trying to show the similarity between the photographers and those early artists. कैसे अब इन दोनों में? Correct. So दोनों में क्या करना है? Do not get confused. I'm going to look carefully for the difference between the two and then prove one of them. Provide an example of artists. Call attention to artists. Okay, who like serious contemporary photographers, ये अपने नए वाले, disavowed, rejected traditionally accepted aims. Okay, call attention to artists often bear a physical resemblance. I'll go back to that zone and check again. Now, आप यहाँ पे देखो अब मेरे साथ यहाँ. Okay, is not art. For example, those photographers who suppose that by taking pictures they are getting away from this, okay, remind us of those painters who imagined they were getting away from the intellectual hardness or strictness of this by concentrating on the physical act. So, physical भी दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, physical act तो वो तो option 2 में भी है. Now here you need a little bit of interpretation. उसके बिना गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. So he says here who imagined they were getting away from the intellectual austerity. Austerity is rigidity, strictness, stringent rules, okay, of classical modernist painting. They were, you know, abstract. यहाँ classical modernist दिया हुआ है आपके एक option में, but that was again faulty comparison. यहाँ भी है और यहाँ भी है. So what did these painters do? They were getting away from the intellectual austerity. They were kind of, you know, rejecting and moving away from the harshness of classical modernist painting by, so what did they do? Concentrating on the physical act of painting, right? So they were trying to move away from the harshness or from the strictness. अब यहाँ इनका ये बोला है, okay? It tells much about the harried status of the contemporary notion of art. ये contemporary notion of art, idea of art is so, you know, troublesome, is so problematic that photographers are not able to fall in it or they are not able to follow it. Than about whether photography is this. And then he gives this example. So when we go back to this, between this and this justifies more as the answer. Like serious contemporary photographers, right? अब यहाँ पे option B में there is one more problem. He is not drawing parallels. He is not bringing an analogy. He is just, you know, showing call attention to artists whose works bear a physical resemblance to the works of photographers. No, This is again faulty comparison. The author there is trying to show parallel this thing, comparison. जैसे कि अभी वाले फोटोग्राफर्स ऐसा 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 एम्स ऑफ मॉडर्न आर्ट से परेशान हैं, these abstract expressionist वाले, they used to move away from the hard rules or something. Okay, he is not trying to show कि artists का work bears a physical resemblance to photographers का work. No way. So this is what we call bakwas comparison. This is eliminated and this is your answer. Hope this is clear. थोड़ा सा इंटरप्रिटेशन लेवल वहां पे चाहिए आपको, वरना ये जो डिस्टॉर्शंस होते हैं ना, ये फ्रेज लेके यहां कनेक्टेड, ये फ्रेज को वहां कनेक्टेड करके शॉर्ट सर्किट बना देता है ये. Now, according to the author, the 19th century defenders, photography mentioned in the passage stressed what? So, you need to go and look for 19th century defenders of photography, right? चलिए देख लेते हैं कहां है. We can check here. Okay, pretentious, okay, irrelevant, 19th century, okay. So what does he say here and what does the question say? Go back. 19th century defenders of photography. All right. Here. So serious photographers variously claim to be finding, recording, impartially observing, witnessing events, anything but making works of art. Means they claim that they are making works of art. It's not just aesthetically appealing. Soulless nahi hai. In the 19th century, photography's association with the real world placed it in an ambivalent relation to art. Ambivalent is unclear, both the sides. Fence-sitter. Okay. Late in the 20th century, an ambivalent relation exists because of the modernist this. Right? Now, no longer willing to debate, okay, all right. Now, there's a thought in my mind, yeah, 19th century mein placed it in an ambivalent relation to art. Association with this. Are they stressing something 19th century mein? Are they defending something over there? I'm not very satisfied with this point. So, I'm going to look for something else maybe 19th century का कहीं कुछ और बोला है. तो taking pictures, यहाँ तो उनका वो compare किया है, convergence of this, art implicit 1960s, this is 20th century, right? Assertions, okay, high familiarity, photography like pop painting reassures viewers, okay. So 19th century का exactly मुझे कहीं पे और नहीं दिख रहा है, okay. So photography is this. Now, another thought comes to mind. In the 19th century photographers association, maybe the question is connected to this point. देखते हैं, serious photographers claim to be this, okay, in the 19th century with the real world placed it in an, एक बार options देख लेते हैं, then it will be clearer to me. So whenever you get stuck with such a question in which you're not able to locate where exactly it is given, just go and sneak peek at the options. That makes my work easy. Stress that photography was a means of making people familiar with remote locales and unfamiliar things, a technologically advanced activity. 19th century में technologically advanced activity क्यों ही होगा? A device for observing the word impartially and art comparable to painting. Now very clear, I can eliminate this and this. Why? Because technologically advanced activity, 19th century bole to 1800 something. They have not mentioned in the passage that then it was a technologically advanced something. Machine tha, that was a camera. But then technologically advanced activity and this one, familiar with remote locales and unfamiliar things, bilkul bhi nahi bola hai. Now, stress that photography was what? Defenders of photography. A device for observing this, an art comparable to painting. I'll take you back now. अब आप यहाँ देखो. Ironically, now that photography is securely established, many photographers find it pretentious to label it as such. Serious photographers variously claim to be finding this, anything but making works of art. So they claim that they are making works of art. This is what we understand from here. In the 19th century photography's association, so I understand that this whole thing is talking about the 19th century. Got it? And serious photographers. So this is where my answer is connected, right? So I go back to this, check the question stem once again. 19th century defenders of photography, passage stressed that photography was what? A device for observing impartially or an art comparable to painting. Definitely this. They were trying to prove that we are creating art. So this is your answer with elimination. Hope you understood the method. Then next. According to the passage, which of the following explains the reaction of serious contemporary photographers to the question of whether this is an art? Now you know, for this I'm not going to go back right away. अभी तो मैंने पढ़ा सीरियस फोटोग्राफर्स का, कंटेम्पररी फोटोग्राफर्स देखते हैं. एक बार ऑप्शंस देख लो, एक दो एलिमिनेट कर लो, देन गो बैक. दिस मेक्स योर वर्क इजी. ऑलराइट, चलो. The photographers believe that their reliance on an impersonal machine to produce their art requires the surrender of the authority of their personal vision. अपना vision छोड़ देना होगा. How weird is this? Eliminate it. This is all wordplay. The photographers fear that serious photography may not be accepted as an art by this. I'll keep this. The influence of abstract expressionist painting and pop art on the subject matter of the modern photograph. I'll keep this क्योंकि ये तो दिया है. The photographers believe that the best art is subversive of art as it has previously been defined. Okay, best art, subversive of art, best art. Can it be extreme? I'm not sure. Now, what will I do? 3 options हैं. I'll go back to the question stem and try to understand क्या कह रहा है. Best explains the reaction contemporary photographers to the question whether it's an art or not. Okay, now controversies between this throughout the 19th century. अब ये देख लो आप यहाँ पे. Here throughout the 19th century वाली बात की है. अभी इससे पहले वाला एक question में we were discussing this 19th century का. So the whole passage is kind of, you know, talking here and there about 19th century. Defense was identical with the struggle to establish it as a fine art. Okay. Against the charge that photography was a soulless this asserted. What did they assert? It was instead a privileged way of saying. तो ये तो हमारा previous वाले question का भी, और like you know, now I'm totally sure that okay, in the previous question when I marked that, ठीक है, this is done. Okay, it was instead a privileged way of saying a revolt against the commonplace vision and no less worthy of an art than painting. Right? This was what they were saying. Okay, so go back to the question. Reaction of this on the question of whether it's an art. Right? So, not accepted as the contemporary art. Okay, I'm going to eliminate this. ये तो निकल गया था, ये निकल गया. The influence of abstract expressionist painting and pop art on the subject matter of the modern photograph. Why would photographers say that, you know, influence of इसका लिया जाएगा? So I'm left with B and D. Now between B and D, what am I going to do? I'm going to try to prove one. So, you know, in this option, I see this word subversive of art, and I remember somewhere he had mentioned it. I'm going to check this first. Best art is subversive of art as it has previously been defined. Okay, I'll go back and quickly skim and look for this. Okay, so first वाले में तो हमने देख लिया, second वाले में quickly let's check. Secured, okay. Securely established, pretentious, all right. Finding, ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Ambivalent relation to art, 20th century, modernist heritage, ये सब ये दे दिया इसने. No longer willing to debate whether it is or is not a fine art, except to proclaim that their own work is not involved with art, shows the extent to which they simply take for granted the concept of art. Imposed by what? The triumph of modernism. The better the art, the more subversive it is of the traditional aims of art. Do you see my point? What am I trying to do here? I'm trying to show you that even if you're not able to interpret 100%, you can still take it out. Right? So, here there is a colon. That means a very important zone, and it's given here, simply taken for granted. अब आप ना ये पढ़ोगे अगर पूरा, you will not be able to understand everything very clearly. और हर जगह हर उसमें तो मैं बैठी नहीं होंगी explain करने के लिए. So here what is he saying? यहाँ देखो ये colon है, very important point, subversive. Read this portion. Okay, take for granted, take the concept of art imposed by the triumph of this. The better the art, the more subversive it is of the traditional aims of art. Means the better the art, the more subversive it is of the traditional aims of art. Traditional aims of art ko, it's going to, one sec guys, ये पक्का ना क्रेडिट कार्ड वाले का कॉल आ रहा है. Sorry, huh? Okay, yeah. So I was saying the triumph of modernism, the better the art, the more subversive it is of the traditional aims. Simple यहाँ पे अगर ना आपको ये मालूम है और ये कोलन का फंडा मालूम है, that it's important, you will be able to take from here. Art उतना बेहतर होता है, the more, what is it, subversive, opposing, the more rebellious it is of the traditional aims of art. Traditional aims को छोड़ना है, traditional aims को, you have to go against that. तो art is considered, तो the better the art, the more subversive it is. तो best वाला क्या होगा? Best art क्या होगा? If it totally declines the traditional forms of art, right? So I take you back to the question now. Here, हम ये कर रहे थे. Claims, no, I think we were doing this, right? So we were left with B and D. So B and D में, now let's check this. The photographers believe that the best art is subversive of art as it has previously been defined. Same thing that is given there, rephrased. The better the art, the more subversive it is. पुराने वालों को गिरा रहा है, right? Kind of going against everything that was defined earlier. So जितना अच्छा होगा उतना subversive होगा. So best वाला क्या होगा? That goes completely against the previously defined ways, right? Previously been defined. So this is your answer. Hope this is clear. Then, according to the passage, certain serious contemporary photographers expressly make which of the following claims? अब तो इतना कुछ मालूम है passage से. Why do you need to jump back? देख लो पहले. Serious photographers क्या बोलेंगे अपने photographs के बारे में? उनमें जान है. They are like, they have got a muse, they have kind of, they have got an objective, a goal, मतलब सब कुछ जैसा art के जैसा है. So their photographs could be created by almost anyone who had a camera and the time to devote. How weird is that? Their photographs are not examples of art but are examples of the photographer's impartial observation of the world. We'll go and check this, but ये बोला जा रहा है passage में, right? Their photographs are important because of their subjects but not because of the responses they evoke in viewers. Comparison हो रहा है, ये ज़्यादा important है, not this. So this is faulty comparison. और वैसे भी ये evoke in viewers, these are more important because of the muse, the subjects. This has not been discussed, right? ये claim कहीं नहीं है. इतना तो पढ़ा हमने, इतना तो retention होना चाहिए. Their photographs exhibit, अच्छा so हमारा A out हुआ, C out हुआ, we are left with B and D. Their photographs exhibit the same ageless principles of form and shading that have been used in painting. Do you see this? Ageless principles of form and shading. और इसमें है not examples of art, examples of impartial observation. We'll go back and check. एक को prove करना है ना, आप देख लो यहाँ पे. ठहरो. Imagine they were getting away from this, concentrating on this, convergence of dismissal of this, all right. Relief of sensibilities, all right. Appreciating photographs is a relief of sensibilities, tired of the mental exertions. सबसे हटना है, pop painting वगैरह सबसे. Photography seems, okay. Photography like pop painting reassures viewers that art is not hard. Photography seems to be more about its subjects than about art, right? It's more about, more about subjects, right? अब यहाँ पे आपको मैं लेके चलती हूँ इसमें. यहाँ बोला है ना इसमें, हाँ. Their photographs are not examples of art, but are examples of the photographer's this. Subjects यहाँ बोला है, because of their subjects, but not because of the responses. Now, option C cannot be correct because this is given. It is more about subjects than about art. वो comparison है. But यहाँ बोला है than the responses, ये कहीं नहीं दिया है. Correct? So we are still left with this and this. And examples of photographers' impartial observations. बोला है उन लोगों ने ऑब्जेक्टिविटी वगैरह डाल करके, अभी मैं दिखा रही हूं आपको. ठहरो. लेस वर्दी, ऑल राइट, ये तो पहला उसमें छोड़ दो. हाँ ये है, देखो यहाँ. Serious photographers variously claim to be finding, recording, impartially observing, anything but making works of art. Means they are seriously making works of art, right? So we get this from here. So B is your answer. Hope this is clear, guys. All right. Okay. Next, question number 5, the last one. It can be inferred that the author considers serious contemporary photography to be a, भैया लास्ट में अपना author का view क्या है? So, contemporary art that is struggling to be accepted as fine art. Craft requiring sensitivity but by no means an art. Mechanical copying of reality. Okay, mechanical copying of reality. Photography को author will he consider mechanical copying? ये तो लोग सोचते थे. Then the author is trying to show that photographers go against it, they argue. Why would he consider this? Modern art that displays the modernist tendency to try to subvert the prevailing. Subversive अभी मैंने बताया. पुराने सारे उसको kill करना. I'll take you back to this. अब ये देखो यहाँ, the last para. Photography has developed all the anxieties and self-consciousness of this. Classic modernist art की तरह photography भी develop हो गया है with all the anxieties and self-consciousness. Many professionals privately have begun to worry that the promotion of photography as an activity subversive of the पुराने वाले सारे को हटा करके गिरा करके okay has gone so far. So photographers actually, or photography as a field, has been subversive. It has been going against the traditional forms of art, right? Has gone so far that the public will forget that photography is a distinctive and exalted activity in short and art. कुछ तो distinctive है, public shouldn't forget that. So author is saying that photography जो है, it has been going against the traditional aims set earlier, right? So this fits the bill. Modern art comparison दिया है that displays the modernist tendency to try to subvert the prevailing aims of art or the traditional aims of art. Got it? So this is definitely your answer. बाकी इसमें कैसे eliminate हुए? Mechanical copying बिल्कुल नहीं है. Craft requiring sensitivity but by no means an art. Photography को क्या author बोलेगा कि it requires sensitivity, ठीक है, but no means an art. पूरा passage का मुद्दा ही है, he is trying to compare photography with art, and in the end he says it has become as arty as modernist art. So ये eliminated. Contemporary art that is struggling to be accepted as fine art. Even if you're left with A and D, contemporary art that is struggling to be accepted as fine art. ये बोला has developed all the anxieties and this. So struggling, begun to worry का मतलब struggling नहीं है. Begun to worry का मतलब है they have started thinking कि हम भी modern art की तरह, हम भी arts की तरह इतना ज्यादा हम पुराने वालों को गिरा रहे हैं कि लोग समझेंगे photography और इसमें कोई फर्क ही नहीं है, जबकि photography has some kind of distinctive trait. ये बोलना चाह रहा है. Got it? So D is your best answer. Hope this is clear, everybody. All the questions done. I have shown you the shortcuts. I have shown you how to not pay attention to too many dense things that are actually going to eat away your time. So you can do it with a little bit of presence of mind. Your presence of mind will come with calmness. Calmness कब आएगा? When you do a lot of time-bound practice. So